In this tutorial, we'll be making a traditional origami butterfly design. There are quite a few origami butterfly designs. This is one of the simplest ones and gives a nice, elegant result. You'll need one piece of square paper. 15 centimeters across is a good size. Start with the paper white side up. Fold in half, making a rectangle shape, then straighten back out. Turn 90 degrees, fold in half again, making a rectangle shape, and then open back out. Fold this edge to the center line and open back out. Do the same on the other side. Turn 90 degrees and fold the edge to the center line in the same way. And the same on the other side. Now the creases that you've made, divide the paper into 16 equally sized squares, 4 by 4. Fold the paper in half diagonally and open back out. Turn the paper and fold it diagonally in the other direction. Turn the paper over. Fold each of the corners to the center point. Then open the model back out. Turn the paper white side up. Press in these points. Fold 2 of the points from the side into the center, and at the same time bring these 2 points over like this, so that the flap folds flat at the bottom, and the same at the top. So now your model looks like this. Fold in half like this, being careful to line up the edges. Fold this flap down using the 45-degree crease that's already there. And the same on the other side. So now it's starting to look like a butterfly. These flaps are the bottom parts of the wings. We give them a more elegant shape by folding part of this flap down from the corner at the top to around the midpoint of this edge. Do the same fold on the other side, being careful to keep the symmetry. Now we're going to make the body with a triangular fold from the top to the edge of the wings here. To do this, we fold the model in half this way. Then fold it back to create the triangular crease that finishes at the back of the wings. You're folding quite a few layers of paper at this point, so make sure you create a firm fold. Then we create the fold at the same angle on the other wing by turning the model over and folding in half, flat, with both wings aligned. So then when you open it back up, you've created the body and you're done. A classic origami butterfly.